Greetings, welcome to Keitenrenbu Martial Arts Academy. My name is Reed, and in this video we're going to be covering the next section of the Yang Style 24 form. In the previous videos we covered play the lute, here, into repulse monkey. Alright, boom. Alright, in this video we're going to be covering grasping sparrow by its tail. Now, grasping sparrow by its tail has a lot of sequences in it. It has a ward off, like we did at the beginning with parting wild horse's mane is a ward off. And then it has roll back, and then press, and then this motion into a push. Okay? So there's a lot of sequences in this one. It's a big movement. Right? But it has all of the key sequences of Tai Chi in it. So if you just know how to use this movement, you're going to do pretty well. All right? Okay. So based off of repulse monkey, we're going to just end it here. Right? We're going to step here. And then off of this sequence here, off of this step here, it's going to set up like it did at the beginning, like we're doing grabbing our chi ball, stepping out for a ward off. Right? So basically our first sequence, parting the wild horse's mane. But in this case, instead of rotating to go for another wild horse's mane, we are going to follow up with the other hand and then pull back into a roll back. So essentially, you've trapped their arm and then you're rolling it in. So you could be pulling them in like this for like an arm bar or something, all right? So we're here. You ward off, and then you just kind of roll back here. And then your hands are going to do this. So you got this part of your hand, your palm of your hand is going to just kind of press against your wrist, and then you're going to do a little press. And then you're going to roll back, and then push. All right? So we're going to do it from this angle, back up. So you have here, here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And you do that 2 directions. You first do it this way, and then you turn around and go this way. Okay? So I'm going to do it slowly. I'm going to try to explain some of the movements in a little bit more detail. Okay? So we're going to go into our ward off, right? Step out to here. And this is going to come up, and the hands are going to just roll back like this. So you're going to have palm up, palm down, and then they're going to switch directions. So 1, 2. They're going to come in while you're loaded back here. And then you're going to press. And they deflect that, and they go to push you back. You dissipate their attack, pulling them in, and then you push. Okay, so here, here. So it's the same idea as here, here, right? That we did in brush knee twist step. We went over lifting this hand up, using the body to create the illusion that it's moving a lot, and then the step forward to here. So we're going to be doing this. We go press here. We're doing the same here as in lift hands and down, but we're going to just bring it to here. And then we're bracing backwards here, back leg, and then as we go forward here. And there might be just a little turn inside, an internal turn here, and then press. This will allow redirection and attack. So if someone's coming in, you don't want to just absorb it backwards. You want to kind of redirect it from this line off a little bit and then forward this way. Okay? All right, okay. All right, that is grasping sparrow by its tail. If you have any questions, please comment down below, like and subscribe to the video, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, see you then. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below and watch the video on your